God has granted us the opportunity to meet one another and to become close friends with one another. And my feeling about my own relationship with Kenneth has been that God has given me this opportunity to know him and to be a part of his life. And now he is going to share his life with Christina, and I wish them all of the very best in the years to come, which I hope to be around as much as possible. So to both of you, congratulations, my love and my good luck for the future.
Mak Kenemi, Nang Mak Chon Jojo, Sitan Nakasise, Sichen Nakasise, Zon Nakasise, Dam Nakasise, Lamtin Nakasise, Lamtin Lo Nakasise, Ganzok Ken Lai, Gandot Lai, Tuan Wokan Langsung Dalai, Ya. Người phim hay lẽ, cái thiện hay ạ, bia cà phê, bên mặt trần thôn chơi nhé, nang mak khenet tin chú, cái bà cha đi ngã, làm phim trong bên tụi si chân là cái xe, si chân là cái xe. Zon nakasise, dam nakasise, lamtin nakasise, lamtin lo nakong sise, kan upat lai, kan tiza lai, ni po, tuan wo kalang la, dia mepim hai le, pecian haya, dia kakam.